the Liberal Democrats and we now learn the Labour Party are going to vote against this amendment, so at least they are clear on what they want to do. David Cameron knew that that he was faced with a confrontation. He doesn't want this amendment in its current form because he feels, and he's received legal advice, that it breaks the law by attempting to give the Home Secretary the power to override, to go over the heads, if you like, of the judges. That is the sort of thing that has government lawyers throwing up their hands in concern and despair. But the place that David Cameron's found himself is one of complete indecision, really, resolutely on the fence. And he is in a situation where at some point one would imagine he's going to try to mollify and find some sort of a deal with these backbenchers who are so strongly in favour of putting this measure forward, but it's going to be very difficult. Dominic Raab, who's been leading the charge on this, is just a nightmare rebel, really, for a party leader, because he comes across as so reasonable, calm, but he's pretty stubborn too.
These amendments are practical, common-sense amendments that will protect the public, restore some common sense to our justice system and restore some trust outside of this place, and I commend them to the House.
Yeah. The thing is, this is a flagship element of legislation. It's something that Theresa May wants to see go through, and David Cameron has been saying that he would look for some sort of further modification or change in the House of Lords. But if this gets voted down, as one can imagine it will do with the Lib Dems and Labour now ganging up against it, will David Cameron really want to resurrect it with all the arguments that have gone alongside? It's one heck of a mess.